Hello, everyone, and thank you for watching. Today, I wanted to show you how to get this look with the Shark Flex style. If you want to see this look, please keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with my Kristen S mousse and then the Shark Flex style. I'm just going to blow dry my hair. This tool makes it very easy to get effortless curls. Starting with 1-inch sections, I will hairspray it and then brush it out. For thicker sections, I will wrap my hair around the styler and just let that heat up for a few seconds. Then I will shut it off and let the curl fall into my hand and pin it up. Once your whole head is pinned, you will look like George Washington. That's how you know you did it right. Add a ton more hairspray. Once the curls have cooled, you can take them down. It may look a little crazy at first, but trust the process. Then I will add a texture spray. I'm using the Dry Bar Triple Sec. Spray that all over, and then you can mess with the curls and flip it around until it looks the way you want. Leave me a comment. Let me know what hair look you want to see next, and thank you for watching.